Special requests are used to request information or documentation from candidates, either before or after a test. For instance, if a candidate needs to provide an ID before a test and it's found invalid, the instructor can send a special request for a valid ID to avoid canceling the test attempt. The status of special request can be pending response. Proctor has sent a request to the candidate and is waiting for the candidate's response. Pending review. The candidate has responded to the special request, and the proctor should now review it. Satisfactory. The proctor has reviewed the candidate's response and marked it as satisfactory. Unsatisfactory. The proctor reviewed the candidate's response and marked it as unsatisfactory. On this page, you can choose the specific test for which you want to see special requests. Click the plus icon to change the test, and you can remove filters as needed. Select the testing session for which you want to see special requests. Click the plus icon to change the testing session, and you can remove filters as needed. Create a new special request by filling out this empty field. Confirm your changes if you are satisfied.